Alright guys, so yeah, I know it's been a minute. I haven't posted anything. Been real busy. Work, family, just trying to get things going. Started a little t-shirt thing with my wife, so I've been busy with that. So things been getting pushed off as expected with life. Car's just been sitting here. Engine is still at the machine shop. My engine builder had some health issues. Not his fault. Stuff happens in life. I'm a very patient person. As you see, it is what it is. That's what I go by. I'm gonna be cleaning up a little bit of stuff because I've just let stuff pile up and pile up and pile up. Haven't done anything to the car, so I'm gonna just be cleaning it up and getting it ready to get it going back together. So just stay tuned and watch this little small process. I know I'm just cleaning. I don't want to post videos to waste people's time, but this is a part of a build. Like they say, you don't own the project owns you. And of course, any of you native to Florida, it's about that time of year. See that? It wasn't like that like 20 minutes ago. So I gotta get cleaning and moving some stuff because I do not want to get rained on in the garage because, sucks. And another thing, guys, as far as the build process goes, a few things are going to change. That's like any project, but I want to concentrate more on road course racing. I've got a V8 build. I could make that a quarter mile, 8th mile build type of scenario, but this thing, I want to dabble in that. I sim race, I do iRacing, Assetto Corsa, project cars. If you guys want to hit me up on that, we can race on that as well and have fun. Get to know some of you guys. But realistically, that's what that car was designed around. That's what Mazda's known for. They're not drag racing, so it's front wheel drive. I got my limits. I leave that to Justin and Bryce and those guys and the Speed 6 guys because they can handle that. But I really have fun different ways with this car and learn more about it, do different things, and just go at it. And yeah, it's only been 5 minutes since I showed y'all, and it's coming down. Now y'all probably can't see it, but y'all can see the trees. And yeah, this sucks. Only in Florida, y'all know. Alright, so as y'all can see, still in the garage. It's been raining like crazy, so I can't really do too much at the front because I really don't want to get wet and wet up some of the stuff. But as you see, this is the table. Trans is still apart. It's not that I don't know how to do it, it's just like I told you before, I got other things going on. I've got the other training down there somewhere, just moving stuff around, getting it going. But I'll show you guys inside the car and what it looks like from sitting. I need to drain the fuel tank, but I'm just getting little stuff here and there cleaned up. So here's inside the car. Yeah, it's dirty. I gotta clean it out. This whole manifold down there, you probably can't see it because it's dark in here. Should have brought a light. But it is what it is. So I know this video is probably boring. Like I told you, I'm just cleaning up. I'm probably going to be taking the exhaust off, cutting it, and re-welding in a vibrant resonator. Because before the car went down, I made a straight pipe, and it is what it is, but it's too raspy and too loud for street use, in my opinion. Some people like that. Some people like crackle tunes, but to each his own. It kind of is what it is. But right now, as you see, I cleaned up all the stuff in the front a little bit, just getting it a little better, getting toolbox out of the way and stuff. Still raining like crazy. I really want to get more done, but it's raining and it's making it hard to work because water's coming in, bugs are flying in. But thank you guys for watching. I wish I had more to update you on, but like I said, it is what it is. Soon I'll get this thing back on the road and we can actually make some content, breaking it in, doing some pulls, tuning, going to track, setting some laps. We'll see. But like I said, thank you guys. Like, subscribe. Appreciate everything you guys do for me.